Glock 22. Yeah, that's a big old gun there, yo. Glock 17. Man, yeah, that's same size gun. Glock 19. Best carry gun in the world. Glock 26. Okay, yeah, not too bad. Yeah. Oh, it's just another Glock 26. Oh, they're so pretty. Glock. What the fuck? What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out Black Diamond Guns and Gear. I'm Josh.
And I'm Josh.
And I gotta take these things off my fucking ears.
We're yelling! We're yelling!
What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out Black Diamond Guns and Gear. I'm Josh.
And I'm Josh.
And as you can tell, we got a lot of Glocks on the table. But there's one oddball out. CZP10c. It's a great gun. For the most part, this is pretty much like a Glock. The sights are better than a Glock. Is this the Glock killer? Hell no. Man, it's a polymer frame striker fired pistol with 3-dot sights on it that are better than a Glock. The trigger is actually really nice, I ain't gonna lie. I don't think it's a Glock killer. We'll shoot it and find out. Guys, we're shooting 115 grain Fiocchi ammunition out of it today. Let's run it. I don't have any ears on. Damn it, that was loud. Why do I keep doing that? Now that I have that fixed, guys, all of our holsters that we have today are made by Black Diamond Holsters. If you want Black Diamond Holsters, get at us and we will get them to you. Black Diamond Holsters on Facebook. Listen to that retention, even with a light. Here we go.
You get this thing cattywampus as hell.
Huh, did you see that? Second time it's happened. Smells so good. Smell of freedom. CZP10c. That damn magazine button is so fucking hard to push. So guys, CZP10c, I gotta say, I really like this gun.
A lot. Matter of fact, I almost wish that I would have taken our tactical response class with this pistol.
It is really nice. I honestly, I can't hit very well with a Glock 19. I carry a Glock 26, but I can hit with this gun. And I don't know if that has anything to do with the sight picture or what. I don't know what it is, but I like it. And,
like I said, we don't have a definitive round count through this pistol, but I know it's in the thousands of rounds.
Yeah.
And like I said, we didn't have a hiccup with it. It shot every single time. We ran Fiocchi 115 through it. I mean, it's a shooter.
Yep.
Contrary to what everybody says, I mean, this gun shoots. It feels good in the hand.
The texture on it's great. The slide serrations are awesome. Sights are great. 3-dot sight to come with it. Factory. Don't have to worry about taking them off because they're plastic or whatever that you can rack on your pants. It's just all around good gun. It's still got a rail on it so you can attach the light, anything like that. Is it the Glock cooler?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I want to say no.
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
But is it a good gun? Yes.
Yeah, it's a great gun.
That's why it's in my
rotation. Yeah, there you go. I think I'm gonna go pick one up. It'll be in my rotation for sure. Faux show.
Go check out over here.
Yeah.
Go like and subscribe to our stuff. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram. We're pretty much on all platforms of social media.
We do live shows on Facebook. We give stuff away. A lot of stuff.
Stay vigilant.
Stay safe.
And stay alive.